Is your kid sometimes overwhelmed by the homework it has to do? Doesn't it know where to start? Don't you worry. I got a recommendation that will make learning much easier and more fun and increase the learning success. The challenge is that kids, no matter which age, need to do homework. And the more challenging and inconvenient it is, the less likely they are to fully engage in it. So, this reduces the success of learning and, of course, endangers the future of your kid, of its work life, etc. Therefore, we're going to use AI to make it as fun and easy and multimedia as possible to improve the learning. Since it's been a few years since my school days, I simply downloaded an official segment of a German seventh grade biology topic. You can also visit this website and show you also the contents of those PDFs. There's basically 5 PDFs. And the challenge is each of those thumbnails is a brochure up to 100 pages. So these are just 63 pages of 72 overall. These are 96 of 100 pages. And here another brochure with 14 pages. And here two brochures with 6 pages each. Where to start and how to escape the jungle of homework as a pupil who might be overwhelmed. You can use multiple large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, etc. But for this use case, homework, I recommend Google's free Notebook LM tool because it has the biggest context window and many built-in features which make it super easy to use. Simply throw everything inside, and then, of course, since it's a relatively new tool, half a year, 1 year old, it's still only in English because, of course, Google is an English company. You have a few quick links. For example, you can create a podcast at the moment only in English where two narrators, male and female AI, discuss any topic you throw in any PDF, multiple PDFs, and then you get an audio file. At the moment, only in English. And the same as if you click on study guide or FAQ, and of course, you also get an English one. But since it's based on Gemini, the large language model from Google, you can also simply write in your language, for example, write in German or schreibe es auf Deutsch or in Spanish or French, whatever language you speak. And as long as Google Gemini understands it, it will also then reply in this language. Here, for example, I started out by clicking that it should explain it. You see on the middle and the top, it's English, and then I told it to write it in German. And on the right side, it of course explained it in English, but you could also then just tell it with few German word prompt and then it should translate it. And here I created a study plan in German, Lernplan, and that helps your kid to know where to start and how to progress. And all those little bubbles are quotes that link to the content. Because hallucinations are a big problem still in the year 2025. And the great thing about Notebook LM is that you just simply hover over one of those gray bubbles, and then on the left you see the original text where this was taken from. Another feature that is integrated in here is that you can create mind maps. Whatever you throw into it, it creates automatically mind maps, and all the arrows that you click just extend it to go further and further down, deeper and deeper. Makes clear the correlations of the different topics and terms, and basically limits the detail of learning only to your kid's curiosity. And even if the kid wants to learn more but doesn't have the proper PDFs or Word documents or files, you can simply ask a Notebook LM to find additional content on the World Wide Web. Basically, the whole world is your kid's oyster, and it just has to articulate what it wants. Here I wrote it in English, but of course, again, every language that Google's large language model understands, you can type and then you get the answers from website in your language. The end result is, of course, to help your kid learn quicker, easier, and more successfully, to get good grades and to improve and optimize its future prospects and successes. If you want to learn more about AI, especially with a focus on families, teenage use cases, visit my AI workshop for families. The next one is on 3rd of May. I'm pretty sure there will be more after that. Have a good day.